Math Lesson 3. Now you may have noticed by now that all of the decorations are in detectives. So here we've got Detective Jim, here is Detective Dog Dan. He helps us with what lesson we're on, what subject we're on, and here he is again. So here he is with his pal Detective Jim. They're going to help us with everything that we do. So you guys are also detectives this year. So my little math detectives, today we are going to be talking about addition with 3 digits as well as 2-digit subtraction. This should be a review for most of you. If this is brand new to you, don't worry, it'll come really easy, just like that. If it's just something that you need a little review with, then no problem there either. Okay, so let's start with 3-digit addition. Now we've been learning that every place in a number has a name and value. So the very first place in a number is the ones place. The second place is that's right, the tens. The third place is that's right, the hundreds. And the fourth place is, very good, the thousands. There's more places than that, but those are the 4 places we're focused on right now. So with 3 digits, we are adding the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. We always start when we're adding with the ones. Now in this one, I have 9 plus 6 that I'm starting with. 9 plus 6 is 15. Very good. So you put the first digit, 5, and carry the 1 to the tens. So that second number gets carried up here to the tens. You don't just squish it in here, 1 and 5. Oh no. You've got to carry it up to the tens. I'm going to change my marker because this one is starting to dry out just a little bit, and I want to make sure you guys can see super well. So I'm going to change my marker to the green. All right, 9 plus 6 is 15. Put our first number, which is 5 down here. Carry the next number, which is 1, to the next place, the tens place. Now, 1 plus 8 is 9. Very good. Plus 2 more, 11. So we put our first digit, which is 1, down here. Carry the next digit, which is 1, up here to the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So we put our 7 down here, and we carry the 1. Now, is there anything here to add that 1 to? No, there's nothing. So we're just going to bring it on down without adding it to anything because there was nothing there to add it to. Now we need to check our comma rule. Can we count 1, 2, 3, comma? Yes, we can. 1, 2, 3, comma. And now our answer is complete. Okay, now let's talk about the 2-digit subtraction. So with 2-digit subtraction, I'm going to move backwards here so you can see the problem. You have 2 numbers in, 2 digits that make up your number. So here I have 49 minus 23. I'm starting always with my ones place. Doesn't matter if I'm adding or if I'm subtracting, I always start with the number in my ones place. Now, each of my numbers have a name. Just like with adding, we call the numbers that we add together the addend, and the answer is the sum. Well, with subtraction, the top number is the minuend, the bottom number is the subtrahend, and the answer is always the difference, which is important because if a word problem says, what is the difference between these 2 numbers? That tells you, oh, difference. Answer to a subtraction problem. I need to subtract. So difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Well, now I'm going to do my problem. 9 minus 3, starting with our ones place. 9 minus 3 is 6. Very good. Now we go to the tens. 4 minus 2 is? Excellent. 2. So there you have your problem. And that's all that you have to do. All right, so now you are ready to do your homework. I want you to look at the brain booster at the bottom of page 6. If you need to pause the video and get your math page, please go do so now. Okay, Brain Buster at the bottom of page 6. The first box says 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 minus 6 equals, now you need to write the answer. What is the answer? 4. Now notice something about that. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. We just did the opposite. So we went from 4 to 6 to 10. Then we flipped it and went from 10 to 6 to 4. We did the opposite. So that means that the opposite of addition is subtraction. And the opposite of subtraction is addition. Very good. So you're going to do the same thing for the next two brain boosters. You just go in the opposite direction. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, and do whatever you need to do. If you would like to do a video call, please ask your mom and dad to let me know what time, and I can let you know if that time works for me. Have a wonderful day, guys. I love you very much. Bye.